Hello everyone, welcome to infinityqr.com. Today we will see how to create a dynamic QR code in infinityqr.com. First of all, you need to log in or sign in to your account. So click on this button sign in sign up, which is available on the top right corner of the website. Here you need to sign in using your registered email ID. For example, enter your registered email ID and enter the password and click on login. After you log in the dashboard section, you will be able to see your total QR code limit, total available QR codes, total active QR codes, and total inactive QR codes. So it will also show you the expiry date of your account. Like for this account, the expiry date is 28th of February 2025. Now to create a dynamic QR code, you need to click on the QR manager section and then click on QR create. Okay, so in this section, you will be able to create a QR code. First of all, you need to add the name of the QR code. For example, we are creating a QR code like test QR code 1, right? This is the name that we want to give to the QR code. This can be changed later. Next is the QR code editing password. So if you want to give the access to edit this QR code to your client, in that case, you can set a password here like 12345. So you can set the password here, and this password along with the editing URL has to be sent to the customer. I'll show you how to get the URL also after we create the QR code. Here you can set the password. Next comes the QR expiry date. If you want this QR code to expire on some date in future, you can set the expiry date. If you don't want it to expire, in that case you can leave it blank. QR center logo, that is something I will create a different video on this, how to add it. Now coming back to the QR type, here three options you will find. One is the PDF QR code, second is URL QR code, and the third one is text QR code. PDF is when you want to display a PDF of your company or maybe your brochure. You can select PDF and then you can upload the PDF file here and create the QR code. The second option is that the URL QR code. So if you want the QR code to redirect to a specific website, you can create URL QR code. Whatever website you will be adding here, it can be changed later. So in future, if you want to change that website or maybe you want to change that web page, it can be done in the same QR code. The third one is the text-based QR code. If you want to display some text to your client, if you want to show the text like some photographs or maybe some company information or maybe some link of your website or maybe your Instagram page, so that can be done in a text-based QR code. So we will select text here and we will add some basic details like sample text, and then after adding the text we will click on generate. Okay, so as you can see, the QR code has been generated. For this QR code, you will find expiry date. Expiry date is showing as 28th of February 2025. This is showing as this expiry date because the account for this particular QR code, the Infinity QR account, is going to expire on 28th February 2025. That is why the expiry date has been set to this particular date. If this account will renew its membership with infinityqr.com after 1 year, this expiry date will also get adjusted according to that. Here you can see the total number of scans that you can that has already been done for this QR code, like total number of scans that people have done for this particular QR code. It will be shown here, right? Here you can see the view, like if you want to see the QR code, here is your QR code, right? This is the edit button. So this is the button where you can click if you want to make some changes in the QR code. This is the edit link. So edit link is something that you can share with your client along with the editing password that we had set in the previous screen. So just share the editing link copy it from here. Just click and it will automatically copy in your system. You can paste it somewhere, and along with that you can share the password, editing password with your client, and your client can directly update the details which are displayed in the QR code. How to download the QR code and share it with your share it with your client? Click on PNG or maybe SVG. You will find three options to download the QR code image in different pixel size. That is how you can download the QR code in your computer and transfer it to your client. So that is how you create a dynamic QR code in infinityqr.com. Thank you.